What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of USD CAD and CAD JPY. Both of these instruments, what we see on the 4-hour time frame is showing a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade this instrument. Starting with USD CAD on the higher time frame to see the bigger picture. Now, what do you see that USD CAD on the monthly just rejected from the top of the month? If you draw a resistance, what do you see that the same level is the bottom of this monthly doji here? So this support tested as a resistance, and we see a primary rejection to the downside. Now, as you can see on the monthly time frame, USD CAD was moving along this monthly channel. If we draw this line, what we see that there is a monthly channel, and this channel is broken with this monthly candle. Now, at this point, we can expect now the price come back again to this level of resistance that has been broken to be tested as a support before creating any move. So with that being said, we could see that USD CAD is coming down probably to this level of support or even lower than this, and again creating any before creating any bullish move. So with that being said, on the monthly now we see a primarily a bearish momentum. Going to the weekly, we saw that as soon as the market opened, there is a move to the downside. As you can see, the price already has broken on the weekly. We can see uh, this channel clearly, and we saw that this channel has broken to the upside. Now the price coming back down to test this previous resistance here, resistance here as a support, and it still has not been tested as support properly, so we could see further drop to the downside. Let's see our Fibonacci level where we can expect. You see that there is a weekly move to the upside. So if we take our Fibonacci from the starting of the move to the end of the move, what we see that USD CAD, this is where we can see 38.2 Fibonacci level, which is the minimum Fibonacci level, and we can expect USD CAD now to come at least 38.2% Fibonacci retracement on the weekly time frame. Now going to the daily, we saw that after the previous days rejection, this day also the price started to drop. Now at this point, how we can then take a short trade opportunity on USD CAD? Going to the 4 hour, as you can see the price already dropped, creating quite a few red candles. Now you know that there is a news release later today, and in that news release we could see an uprise on USD CAD. As you see that there is a red candle here, there is a support with this red candle. That support could test as a resistance, and during this news release, if we see that USD CAD created a slow retracement to the upside or even in the lower time frame, in that situation, if we see proper price action confirmation for shorting from this zone on USD CAD to this level to the downside with a high risk to reward ratio with our students. Now let's see CAD JPY. Now as you see that CAD is getting very stronger and JPY is getting weaker, so CAD JPY also creating a bullish momentum. Now as you see that this is overall bullish market. If you look at the bigger picture, weekly, monthly, CAD JPY is without any question, it's a strongly bullish market. Now this is the weekly chart. We have seen that as soon as the market opened after the previous week's rejection from the bottom, we saw that the bulls are now in control. Now with that said, we can expect now CAD JPY to continue to the upside, at least even breaking this weekly high. So with that said, looking at the daily time frame, now on the daily we saw that the price first of all created this bullish engulfer, cross tested this 20 period moving average on the daily, closed back above, and then the price started to move up. So this is a very strong bullish market because the price already after this big move to the upside, the price came down to retrace, tested this previous resistance as support, and we saw that now bulls to control. So with that said, CAD JPY as well, we can expect now to continue to rise. So how we can enter a trade? As like the USD CAD JPY is creating a series of smaller candle, that is a sign of strong bullish momentum. And now we see the price already extended to the upside. Now what we can expect, a slow retracement to the downside, probably creating a long weak candle or a doji, and then we could see going longing opportunity with our students and VIP members if it satisfies all the rules of our strategies. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.